Hi folks, and welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to provide some examples of how to solve equations that have inequalities. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the following equations here, this one and this one. And we're going to solve them and express our answer in both interval notation and by using graphically on a number line. So when you're dealing with absolute values, for the most part, you just treat them like equal signs. The only thing you have to be careful of is when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to reverse the inequality direction. And I'll save the y's for another video. This one's just going to be demonstrations. So for the most part, just pretend like this is an equal sign and start solving for x. First step would probably be maybe add the 7 to both sides. So the next line is going to be 4x is less than or equal to 16. Now we'll go ahead and divide both sides by 4. And we're going to have x less than or equal to 4. Now, the direction of the inequality stays put. It doesn't change because we haven't multiplied or divided by a negative number. All right, so in interval notation, our answer, if we look at this, 3 solves this. 3 is less than 4. 2 solves it. 0 solves it. In fact, anything to the left of 4 solves this. So in interval notation, our answer is from 4 to minus infinity. And since it's including the 4, you put this hard bracket here. Right now, on a number line, this is a nice way to express our answers here. So, 0 might be here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 over here. So another way to express this answer is a circle at 4. Because of the equality here, we're including 4. We put a closed circle on it. Had this been strictly less than, you would leave this open. And then you can either put an arrow to the left, or I like to do this with an arrow in that direction. So any value to the left of 4, including 4, solves this original inequality. All right, over here, let's take a look at this one. So again, this minus 2x plus 3 greater than x minus 5. And this one is strictly greater than, no equality on it. Again, just kind of treat it like a equal sign. We might start by subtracting x from both sides to get all our x's together. The new line, minus 3x plus 3 greater than minus 5. Then we might subtract 3 from both sides. Minus 3x greater than minus 8. Then we divide both sides by negative 3. Now when you divide by negative, that reverses the inequality direction. So now we're going to have x less than negative 8 over negative 3, which is 8/3. All right, so in interval notation, we are from 8/3, not including the 8/3, and this says left, so we're going to minus infinity. And on a number line, let's say we have, I'll put 0 here. Now 8/3 is, just a little short of 3, so I'll put 3 on there. 8/3 is maybe, just short of that. Open circle, arrow to the left. Again, in some books what you'll see is maybe just an open circle and they'll put their arrow kind of right here. I like this because it's a little clearer and you don't mistake it for the axis. So again, this is meant to be a short introductory video on solving inequalities. I'll go ahead and make another one with other examples. I hope that this helps. Have a great day.